That's amazing. Maybe this is possible, guys. Maybe I never have to come back to work or record a video. I mean, it looks incredible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar with Heygen. It's absolutely mind-blowing what these guys are doing. They're moving so fast. So let's dive straight in. First thing you want to do is click the link in the description and go ahead and create a free account with Heygen. What you want to do next is then click on Instant Avatar. Now, if you don't see that option, don't worry. I did get a little bit of early access. So I'd encourage you to go ahead and create an account so you can be one of the first ones to get it. I'm going to skip this video and let's look at the different steps. So there are video instructions or there are text instructions here. Here we have all of the instructions that we need to follow to get the best results for our AI avatar. And the key things are that you need 2 minutes of footage and you need to be looking straight into the camera. Let's go ahead and give this a go. There's a couple of options here: upload your footage or record with a webcam. Now, if we go to record with a webcam, we can select between portrait mode or a landscape mode, and you can select your different cameras and microphones there. You can also choose a topic. These are the different things that they suggest you talk about. Probably telling a little bit about yourself is the easiest. That's the option that I'm going to take. Now, if you do want a script, they'll provide one for you as well. And if you just click on Start Recording, you can see that this is like a teleprompter. All I need to do is look directly into the camera and read that through. I'm going to actually pause this video, sit down, record myself. And there's a couple of reasons for that. One, I'm at an angle to the camera here. I want to be looking straight in the camera in order for it to be able to match my lips and eye movements. And also because I don't want this microphone in my AI avatar. It's not just going to pick up you, it's really going to pick up everything. So I'm going to put myself in front of a more generic background, record that, and then we'll be right back. I've finished my recording, so to upload it, you can actually just drag your footage right here. Now keep in mind your video must be between 2 and 5 minutes long and less than 1 gigabyte. Mine was a little bigger than that, so I uploaded it to Google Drive. So here, this is interesting. We have to make sure that we're giving consent, because I guess you could make avatars for celebrities or anyone really. So I'm going to go ahead and record this consent. All right, so I just read that out and recorded it. And I'm going to submit it. Okay, so footage submitted. It said it'll be ready in just a couple of minutes. And as you can see, it's loading up here. It's going to be exciting to see how good this actually is. So that only took 10 minutes. I thought it was longer than that. So let's check it out.
Hey Daragh AI, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Whoa, that is pretty good. Now, what can we use this for? This is good that they're saying this. Marketing content, personalized videos, learning and development. You can redo your avatar, create it for free as many times as you want, and we can upgrade to fine-tune. Better quality add a voice clone that can speak up to 25 languages. So that could be interesting because I noticed it wasn't exactly my accent. It was a little bit Americanized. I have an Irish accent. That could be interesting to do for future. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Let's go ahead and try and make a video now. And I've got something prepared here. So I'm going to minimize me. Let's see how this goes. So let's submit this. All right, video's ready. Let's take a closer look.
Hey everyone, it's Daragh AI here. Seems like Daragh got a little burned out from all that content creation, so he's handed me the reins. But don't worry, he's on a beach somewhere recharging while I keep things running here. Give this video a like if you think I should keep running the show so Daragh doesn't have to come back to work, ever.
That's amazing. Maybe this is possible, guys. Maybe I never have to come back to work or record a video. I mean, it looks incredible. The only things that are kind of a giveaway for me are there's not that much animation, not that much smiling. The accent's a little bit off as well. But I mean, this just came out and it's actually blowing my mind how good this is right away. I haven't even done any of the fine tuning or voice cloning that's possible. So I'm really looking forward to getting into a bit of that and trying that out. If you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. I'll be making more videos. Like this video if you found it helpful and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching.